Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's tube fenders for Jeep's JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's factory outer and inner fenders. We show how to do this in another video linked below. Step 2. The included rubber seals are driver and passenger side specific. Identify which side is which by the bolt hole indents in the rubber. Peel off the backing and carefully apply the seal to the vehicle side wall of each fender. Step 3. If you purchase the front fender set, install the included LED lights into their slots. Start by pulling the rubber seals off the lights and firmly pushing them into the fender holes. Pull the lights through and seat them into the seals so that the amber LED is furthest away from the vehicle when right side up. Push the male connecting wires through the housing brackets and connect the amber light to blue and the white LED to red, followed by the black and white wires to either ground connector. Step 4. If you have a JL Wrangler and purchase the rear fender set, on the rear wheel well of both driver and passenger sides, you will need to carefully drill out the shown hole with a 7/16 drill bit and insert the included M8 nutsert with an M8 nutsert tool. No drilling is required if you own a JT Gladiator. Step 5. Begin installing the front fenders with the included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 5mm Allen wrench. Step 6. Connect your LED lights to your vehicle and secure the converter as desired by removing the tape backing and pressing firmly against the vehicle. Step 7. Begin installing your rear fenders by securing it with all remaining M8 bolts, washers, and nuts. 12 for the JL Wrangler and 18 for the JT Gladiator. If you have a JL Wrangler, 2 bolts will be secured into the nutsert previously installed in Step 4. Step 8. If you've purchased our aluminum inner fenders, we show how to install them in another video, links below. Enjoy your new Fishbone Off-Road tube fenders.